K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Look at this kangaroo.
Kangaroo. It's hopping.
Yes.
Stopping like this. That's how it
Oh,
hops.
look, these are some kangaroos on the beach. Kangaroos come from Australia. Australia has lots of nice beaches. So these kangaroos are from Australia. That's where kangaroos come from. Oh, look, there's a little baby kangaroo, and it's inside. It's a pouch at the front of its mummy's tummy. And they stay there until they're big enough to go out and jump on their own.
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo.
K. K is for kite. Kite.
It's a red kite. That's your favorite color. That's a boy who's flying the kite. Look, he's got a string and he's holding onto the plastic handle. And he's flying his kite. They have streamers off the back, or ribbons.
And that's a butterfly.
That's right. And this is another colourful kite with some streamers. Oh, look. These are kites flying in formation, a bit like the airplanes. Look at that. They're all flying together.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can use kites for surfing. This is called kite surfing on the sea. Look how fast he's going. And here's a lady who's kite surfing. Oh, and she's doing tricks. She did a jump with her kite.
K is for kite. Kite.
K. K is for kayak. Kayak.
And these are a bunch of people in their kayaks. There's some two-person kayaks or canoes and some
And water's
single-person kayaks.
coming down that mountain.
And there's also a rainbow. And there's a daddy and looks like his son. And they are doing some two-man kayaking on the river. And these people are doing kayaking on what's called whitewater rapids. That's down a very rough river. They're wearing helmets, you see, to protect them. And this person is doing kayaking in the sea. That's on a wave, so it's a bit like surfing, but actually using a kayak. Oh, look, he's doing tricks.
He went also down and back. K is for kite. K is for kayak. Kayak.
K. K is for kart racer. Kart racer.
This is called a kart, or go-kart, or kart racer. They're like little tiny race cars, you see? Going around the corner. Oh, this one's a crash. That's a crash. And now we see it from the view of the driver. You see, they're going around a track like race cars, but small ones on a very small track. And you can even do it on the ice in wintertime where it's very cold. So they drive outdoors on the ice. Oh, he hit the side. Oh, here's one. Look, there's a mother with her child. Like she's driving and he gets to drive as well. That'd be fun. That's an indoor track.
K is for
Kart racer.
kart racer.